You can use the GT app to track mileage that you drive for participants you serve. Please note that this feature will only appear in your app if you have a mileage-related service code. When you're ready to start your drive, sign into the app. From the dashboard, tap the Add Mileage button. The mileage screen appears. You'll see the following details about your drive. The date will display the service date when you selected Add Mileage. If the date is incorrect, you can tap it to adjust. If you adjust the date, select Done to save the new date. The starting location is always the location you start from. To enter your location, begin typing the description or name of your starting location. The GT app syncs with Google Maps, so it may offer suggestions as you type. If the description isn't recognized by Maps, you can enter the address manually. Enter the description and address of your ending location to close out your trip. Your total miles will autofill based on the most direct route between your starting and ending location. If you need to adjust the total miles, tap the field. Check that the name of the participant you're supporting is correct. The service code is the code that describes the service you provide. Make sure the number you enter is a mileage code. Write any important notes about your mileage entry here. You can also use voice to text. You, your participant, and your agency can read the notes on the portal. In some states, notes may be required. Review your mileage entry details, then tap Sign and Submit. If your participant is not available to approve your mileage entry, you can select Review Later. You can edit your mileage entry if your participant did not approve it yet. Simply tap the mileage entry on your dashboard to make changes. If you have any further questions, please contact customer support. Thanks for watching!